Welcome, welcome. Righty ho, let's make some Zoom calls. Morning, morning, everyone. Let's go, let's go. Hey, Dream. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Host a meeting. Let's try this. Morning, everyone. Let's get this up and running. Let's go. See if we can get people on this time. Right, lovely, lovely stuff. So that's going to go down here. Tough trading week for me. Oh, let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. Tough trading week for a lot of people, maybe. High time frames are ranging on GJ, especially. For sure. That's fine, that's fine. You can't do anything about that. Right. Let me post this in. I need to do this as well. But morning, can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now? There we go, there we go. Welcome, welcome everyone to the stream. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. So welcome. So today we'll be looking at GJ and all that good stuff. Let's just take this off. What's it called? I need my annotations here. Lovely, lovely stuff. Morning, Kelsey. I think that's all up and running on Zoom. Lovely, lovely stuff. Okay. Right, let's get rid of this now, guys. Bye. Bye. So I can still see the chat on my iPad. I've only got one screen at the moment. I'm getting a HDMI cable today. So, let's first start off with a bit of nice music, which we listened to last time. That would be nice for us. And then we can start looking at how news affected today and all that kind of stuff. 12 people in the chat. Well done, people. for getting up early in the morning. Right, speed test is okay. Lovely, lovely stuff. So, the first thing we need to check today, let's just move this right down to here. The first thing we need to check today is the Forex factory and how the news came out. So look at this. So we had GDP news today, and we had GDP coming out as 1%, so greater than expected. Not too big, but greater than expected for sure. Good trade balance was negative. So a mix kind of kettle. Industrial production minus 0.7. Oof. Okay, so let's take this into account. Let's open this chart. So this came out at 7 a.m. Let's see if there's any moves. Okay, so we're still in this consolidation box. Okay. Oh, look at this 15-minute break in here. Look at this 15-minute break in here. Okay, so we have a close below. Let's have a look here. Siri, shut up, Siri. So we got actually a little close below on this time frame here. Let's have a look at the hourly and the 4-hourly. Wow. Okay, so let's just wipe all this stuff here. Let's do a complete clean review. So first of all, we're going to start with the 4-hour time frame here, guys. So the 4-hour is the blue line here. This is the flips. At the moment, we are currently bearish, and also the daily is currently bearish, which is great. Let me just check on this 1 second, guys. Checking how loud OBS is. Looks quite loud. Let's turn that down a bit more. Welcome everyone, 15 people in the chat. I love that, if you got any charts or any questions, I know a lot of people have been struggling with GJ today this week. Luckily for me, I haven't really been touching it because it's been looking like ass. So let's actually start marking off our zones now. Wow, this 4K monitor is fucking fire, bro. Fire, bro. So we've got a nice little support at this level here. So let's just measure this range right here. Yeah, so nowhere near for trades at the moment. The good thing is that both our time frames, high time frames, are sales bias. Let's have a look at the daily close yesterday. So the daily closed bullish again. So this is positive. This is positive. Close 2 bullish. If we do exceed these levels up here, we'll be coming back up to the next zone, which does look like filling these wicks up here. That is our targets for the day, I'd say. Morning everyone in the chat. So continuing on here, guys. This is very choppy. We don't really want to be touching this here. There's too many zones. But for continued sells, I'd say price above this region here, or maybe above this new resistance we've made here. So the reason why I'm picking this zone here, right here, is because if you look at this point here, we've rejected it here, we've rejected it here, we've rejected it here. Oh shit. So you can see this is a big resistance zone here, and we need to be very careful with it. Lovely stuff, guys. There we go. Got the squad in. Morning, David.
Morning.
How you doing?
Very good.
Yeah, not too bad. I had to build a desk last night, bro. That shit was... I've got blisters all over my finger, man. IKEA desks, bro, the cheap ones. Hell no. Oh my god. Hell no. Yeah, man. Like fuck. It was rough. Another thing that is rough today is GJ. Shock. So what day is it been today? What day did we start this week? So we've been in here for a long time now. So yeah, so from the 10th to the 12th, we're still in this zone. That's fine. I'd say for clean buys, oh god, it's just so choppy. I'm trying to look at zones here. I can see that this is the clear resistance at this point. So this was made an Asian session. I'd rather wait until we exceed these highs up here, because we've got a lot of resistance at this level here, and these levels here. I think getting in any earlier would just be risky as hell, unfortunately. but that can take a lot of time and stuff. Let's see if there's any news further on in the day. Someone's talking, but there's nothing too much going on. That's all right. At 1:30 we've got USD news. That's fine. So yeah, I'm really being very what's it called? Conservative with this kind of area. This area here is very rough, and you know, knowing that this is a rough area, you need to be able to just wait for certain zones to break. So even if you look down for some sells, right, we have this kind of support made at Asian, but Jesus, like I would say even like sells below here, preferably, because we can see at this level we've got. Let's have a look here. We had resistance. It broke above resistance. Then it rested as support, rested support, rested support. So this kind of worked all the way down. Couldn't close below, and now it's back up. So that's clear support here as well. So I think that is probably the reason why I want to stay away until we get down to that zone, to be honest. That's fine. So how long is that until we get there? Yeah, 17, 16 pips. That I'm happy with that, because for example, if you try and get into a trade like here, you know, one second here, you know, a candle's printing like here, and then another one comes. You know, there's so many rejections here. Like there's so many. I mean, you could have one like there's one here, there's ones here, there's ones here. Like there's so many times you're just gonna be able to get out with like 4-3 pips. There's no point in getting in. Unfortunately, that is fine. But what we can do is look at GU, because GU could be cleaner here. So we'll have a look. Welcome everyone in the stream. 17 viewers. Lovely stuff. If you've got any charts, guys, feel free to send them in the chat. I can have a look at them. So let's do GU and gold. We'll just see how gold reacted yesterday. I got a gold buy yesterday, actually. Let's have a look at this. Oh wow, we picked up quite nicely. Damn. Right, let's just. So gold is it's recovered from this massive dip, which is nice. 1 second. Lovely stuff, yeah. So Kelsey also agrees with GJ. GJ is rough, but you know, identifying them is great. GBP, JPY definitely short bias right now, but not worth trading. Amazing. That's what I want to hear today. Yes, not worth trading until here. So let's actually just write this. Because if we break this certain level of support here, our trades are going to be a lot easier to take, and they're going to have volume, and you know, it's going to be good. And you know, it won't take long until we get there, really. So, but it's just being safe. You know, there's no point taking 4 trades a day, and 3 of them are losers. Just wait for the one. That's correct. And that will be down here, which is great. And yeah, buys even like up here, to be honest. I think I might just wait until up here. Buys above the current high. Let's have a look at the weekly now, because we're coming towards the end of this week here. So you can see, look at the weekly. So the weekly time frame is so doji as hell. So this just shows how indecisive it is. We need to see some sort of direction here. And considering it's Thursday and we still don't have that, it's mad. So let's go back to gold here. Let's start on the daily time frame. I've already taken a trade, GBP NZD, long at the break of Asian range, make 10 pips. Wow, amazing stuff. Can you send me a chart and I'll have a look at that? That'll be great. I'd love to see that. I'd like to see that. So GBP NZD, nice. Let's fucking get this ready. Right, so we retrace from these lows over here, which is great. Let's have a look at our lines again. Where are they? Here we go. So our flip is here. Let's zoom in a bit further here, guys. So our daily flip is right here. So the daily is bullish. The 4 hour is also near there as well. Wow. Okay. So it's actually made a little support on this, which is quite interesting. Made a support on this level through Asian, and now we're starting to exceed, which actually is quite nice. Lovely stuff. I'll look at that chart in a second. Good stuff. So let's have a look at left. Wowzer. So you can actually see we were en route. Where's the next zone here? We can actually see our next zone here, which is a solid level. And let's see how far we can run from here. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's like 60 pips. If you get a closure above here, that could be nice. Clean wicks up. Wait until this hourly closes and makes a bottom wick. This could be quite a nice setup, which I might take. Even though it's London, for gold I normally don't take it, but that seems pretty reasonable. Yesterday I got into some moves here. Where was it? Yeah, 130. So I waited at 130. It's the 15 minute. Where was it? Yeah, I actually got in here. So this candle pushed up. Then we started closing bearish. I thought that this is the area it's going to make a support on. So like this. Then this candle pushed and closed. When we made the low wick here and started exceeding, I had to go buy and took profits at this point. So I think I made like 30, 20, 25, 30 pips, I think. And you can see that this happened again and again. So it came back to level, made support again, and started running up. But that was nice. And you can see the level that I look at, 130 to 2 o'clock, is the best place to trade, really. A lot of volume. So that was good. So yeah, it looks like a gold buys would be quite nice. Let's have a look at this. So GU. Oh yeah, let's have a look at Kelsey's chart, guys. So let's have a look here. So guys, if you want to send me a chart, feel free to do in the chat. I'll have a look at it 100%. Let's just check if you guys have done that. 1 second.
I don't know if you've noticed this, Max, but after news, more often than not, I kind of tend to notice that that the price retraces quite harshly, but then continues on the direction.
Yeah.
All the time, but I'd say more often than not.
Yeah, I've seen a lot where price does retrace quite hard, because news is such a quick kind of thing. A lot of people do get into the trades after the move's already done, and then it just retraces the whole way, and then they're like, "What the fuck is this?" Yeah, it happens quite a lot. So that's why buy stops and sell stops, if you want to trade news, are the way to go. Because if you don't do that, you've missed the move, basically. 100%. 21 viewers in the chat. Well done. Welcome everyone. So let's have a look at this chart here. This is Kelsey's chart. So we've got buys. This is GA, Australian dollar. This is the 30-minute time frame. Buys above 1.8860. Lovely, lovely stuff. Solid. So this is the resistance you're looking for. How big is this zone here? So it's got a 20 pip zone above. That sounds good. Yeah, I think that's solid. And wait for this kind of zone to be broken here. Come back up, and the buys above there will be nice, 100%. So let's have a look at it. Is GA the similar? I'm assuming it's similar to this kind of. Is it being stuck in a range? Let's have a look. Oh no, look, it's looking actually not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Kelsey, oh no, I can't hear you, Kelsey. Wait, let's have a look. No, I can't hear you. Try and speak, because I can't. No, unfortunately the mic's not working, I don't think. Gonna change devices quick. All good, all good. Yeah, so, oh, wow, look at that pull down, bro. Wow. First trading view chart post. I only trade with indicators. Oh, indicators. Big boy indicators. Lovely, lovely stuff. I like that, I like that. So whatever floats your boat, you know. I don't use indicators, but if it works for you, then it works for you. Amazing stuff. So look at this. Gold got the close above. So if you look here, let's zoom in. Let's do some more analysis here. We got a closure above. Lovely, lovely stuff. So with the 745, I expect price to still continue here, but the stop loss is too small here. If we do dip in here, then start flipping, that'll be nice for 8 o'clock. But what I would prefer to wait is the 8 o'clock to close first. For the hourly to make its low wick and then start to continue. That's what I'd look for, guys. That was a lovely screenshot of that. So guys, if you want to send me a screenshot, just send me that. All you have to do is put the camera in your trading view, and it works pretty well. right here. So look at this. So GJ's coming down now. This is looking good. This is looking good. Look here. I'm also taking into fact that the 4 hour needs to exceed the low first of the previous. That would be nice, which is in about 1 or 2 pips time. But yeah, this traffic here, not really liking. I'm trying to see other zones as well. So you're gonna got a zone here because this was resistance at this point. But yeah, sells are gonna be down here. Is that 9.5? Let's see what that looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah, 900. For sure, 900. That's only 10 pips away. That's really not that bad, guys. Okay, we got a chart in the chat. Lovely, lovely stuff. I can leave this here, can't I? Right, let's have a look at this chart, guys. Sorry for this awkward window, but I'm getting a HDMI cable. I forgot to bring mine for some stupid reason. Let's have a look here. Oh shit, what am I doing? So let's bring up a chart here. Let's have a look at this chart. Here we go. Why the fuck is that not printing now? Oh my god. Where is it? 23 viewers in the chat. Whoa. We're doing well. 8 likes. Lovely, lovely. Or 7 likes. Love that stuff. We'll be up and running in a second. There we go. So let's have a look at this chart here. So this is gold. So gold, he is in. I'm assuming this is a buy. So you are in a buy position. Okay, nice. You waited for resistance to be broken here, which is you got the close above. Nice. And oh wow, you actually got in this trade and you hit TP of around about 23 pips. So that's exactly, you wait for the close above, you wait for momentum. Your stop loss was in the range, which is fine. You got a nice 10 pip stop loss and a love 23 pip gain. Lovely stuff. Yeah, that's what I probably would have done if I looked at it before. 100% because price is moving, and look at it now. Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. Wowzer. You got that close there at 7.15, really, really good. 5 minutes seem to be reacting off that level as well. That's good. I would say now it's a bit risky just because the hourly's closing to enter now, but waiting for an hourly close and waiting for the low wick would be nice. For sure, for sure. What did I forget to put up as well? I should whack that up. Do you have that as well? Just get all this ready. God, it's so hard to have it with one monitor, man. Holy shit. I need that HDMI cable quick. Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see where GJ's heading here. If you break this zone here, let's have a look at this zone right here. Yeah, it's just not enough for me. I want sells below here. Sells below here to come back to the next zone, which looks around about here. God, it's so choppy though. Fucking hell. But yeah, I'd say this is the new zone right now. So if you look here, that's how big this zone is. 25 pips. Nice. 25 pips. That's not too bad at all. Already 14 secured. Amazing stuff. Take a look at the chart. Have you sent me a chart? Send me a chart, Bob's Burgers. So yeah, I think a lot of people have been struggling with this week, mainly for the fact it has been in a huge range. But you know, identifying these ranges is what you need to do, and this is certainly why a lot of people don't like funding things, because they feel pressure that you know you have to get a certain percentage a week or something, and you know sometimes that's just not. You just can't do it. If you trade one pair and it's doing this all day, you can't do it really, which is unfortunate. Oh, I forgot to look at MGU as well. Let's see, Kelsey, can I hear you? 1 second. It says you're not on mute, but I can't hear anything yet. I'll leave that here for a second. Let's have a look at GBP USD now. Wow, okay. So this is kind of the similar setup. Let's start from fresh here again, guys. 30 viewers in the chat, guys. Welcome. God damn. If you guys have not liked the stream already, we'll be here until 9:30 doing a lot of breakdowns. So let's start on the 4 hour, guys. Start on the 4 hour like we always do in the chat. Let's do this here. So 4 hour bearish, looking good. I'll make that a solid line. Let's look at the daily time frame now. Daily is just flipped bearish. This is good. So both time frames, high time frames are in our bias. This is really good. I also need to take into fact that the last candle was daily, but that's all right. It's where price is right now. So let's zoom in a bit further here. Let's look at zones. You can see that we're actually touching a little zone and a support soon, which is right here. I've got this from this level here, actually a little one here as well, so probably here. So if we do start breaking below these zones here, where are we going to come to? Well, we are going to likely come back to these levels right here. So let's see how big this zone is right here. Yeah, this is nice. So 18 pip zone. This is a nice zone to catch. I like that. Especially with the 4 hour pushing down. Wait for this hourly to close right here. That could be rather nice. So we look at the 15 minute. Let's adjust. It's more like here, which is a bit annoying. So this makes the zone a lot closer, a lot tighter. Sorry. So we can wait here. But yeah, the next zone is definitely down here. So let's have a look at this measure now. Yeah, 13, 14 pips isn't too bad. But there's a lot of traffic here, so you need to wait until further down. But look at this. This is choppy though. Like, I think a lot of GBP pairs of this week have been very choppy. In 5 minutes time, guys, this is gonna close. If it closes like this is not promising for me. I want a nice strong bullish candle. So a candle that maybe looks like something like this. I'd say this zone here. The next one can come down, and then we start going like that. That's the trade I want. Lovely stuff. Let's have a look at GJ again. 28 views in the chat, guys. If you guys got any charts or any psychology lessons, feel free to ask them for me. It's a lovely London morning. Oh yeah, I think I told you about the question I got yesterday. On a stream about a guy who just didn't get the 10 pips thing. He just didn't get it. So I'm gonna do a YouTube video on that at the moment, soon, very soon. Also, I'm gonna get the rights to some of that music, because bro, I want to play that music. But at the moment, I went on YouTube, right? I got copyright claimed so bad. I was there for an hour, had to like mute everything. I was like, bruh, look at this shit. Wow, 2 people in my waiting room. Alright. This is Kelsey's iPhone. Should be alright. Yeah, like look, I got copyrighted for where was it? This bad lad somewhere. Yeah, copyright claim. Some of them are copyright claimed on videos that says there's no copyright. I'm like, bro, why don't you just tell me? Like, hell no. Actually, let's just check. So 7 AM when this happened, when the news came. See if there's actually any momentum here. 7 AM. No. A little bit of a push up, but not too much. So the news did not really affect it. So take that into account, you know. This news, if it didn't really change that much. I mean, goods trade is down. It was a lot of different kind of things. So there's positives. Where was positives? Positives here, but only just positives. The rest were actually negative. So even though GDP was positive, not by much. So yeah, the news didn't really affect it. What's tomorrow like? Have you got any big news? No, tomorrow's alright actually. Wow. So 13th of the month, so bad luck. So look, see, we've reacted on the support here now. We need to wait for candles to close either below this zone to take sells or below this proper zone to take sells. If we do actually start exceeding here, I may actually look for some sells, to be honest, because let's have a look at this zone here. Yeah, it's only 11 pips, man. That's annoying. It's only 11 pips. But with momentum, I think we should, to be honest. Let's have a look at the 3-minute. Look at that. Wow, look at this bullish candle closing in 2 minutes' time. Damn, son. Damn. If you're new already here, guys, make sure you've subscribed to the channel. We're here every day, growing as a group. Talking about trades each day. So wow, look at this candle. So this candle's coming back up now. It reacted off support. This yellow line is going to be flipped. We're going to be flipping the daily candle. And this looks better, to be honest, guys. I'm not gonna lie, because look at the daily candle. It's made its lower wick. If this was a 50-minute time frame, this is looking very promising, isn't it? So we had resistance here. We came up, had resistance, made support. Now it's starting to close. We closed above resistance. This candle just made its lower wick. If we start flipping here, if this is a 50-minute time frame, I'd be in that trade. Hell yeah. So pay attention with that 100%. So as long as we start pushing up, that'll be grand. But we still need to wait here. I'm still looking for sells below as well. We could maybe squeeze 10 pips out here with an impulse of London. Maybe. So look at this. This is why you need for candles to close, okay, guys? I was waiting for a nice candle to close here, and unfortunately we haven't got it, just like these. So this is a clear resistance zone. The zone is there, and you need to be careful. You need to wait. Someone who got in earlier, that was good. That was on the 50-minute time frame. Like here, that was beautiful. But now we are going to be closing in 29 seconds time back in the zone. So there's no trade for me. This is all about using managing your risk and all that kind of stuff. Just like wait for candles to close. Like how many times would you have taken that and got twatted straight away because it's just melted back down? Need to wait for them to close. The 4 hour and the daily for GU is not really appealing to me because they're so close to flipping, so there isn't much confirmation for me. There's not strong candles yet. Now this candle hasn't made a top wick, but we are pushing the lows here. But I am not entering because there's no top wick. And also for the fact that, you know, the hourly is actually, if you look at the hourly, I'm going to move this back, but you can see here, let me just zoom in so you guys can see. You can see this hourly closed on support. See right there? So this is why there's no trade for me. And then you can see here, this is also the, why is this not letting me move here? You can see this is also the 50-minute. So yeah, you need to be very, very careful in this zone here. Why can't I move that fucking line? That's annoying me. Yes, this is very, very choppy. The good thing is you can just wait to see and show you kind of zones. But for me, the hourly hasn't closed below, so for me there's no trade for sells. If this closed a bit further down, that'd be fine, but it's literally closed on support. And also this choppiness here doesn't really appeal to me at all, really. We still haven't exceeded the low of the previous 4 hour, which is completely fine. So look at this rejection zone here, guys. So there is no buys for me yet on gold, even though the hourly looks alright. The hourly is kind of closed above the previous hourly, but only just. But for me, safer buys would be when you have a close above again. Do you incorporate any ICT principles in your trading strategy? ICT, like a bit of Excel and shit. No, bro, it's very, 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 very easy, very, very simple. It's just support and resistance, waiting for zones to break. Don't make it as complicated as you need to. Trust me, you don't need to make it complicated. So no ICT, just a computer and some support and resistance lines. Support and resistance lines. Let's have a look here. Yeah, look at this. 27 viewers in the chat today, though. This is lovely. But yeah, like being able to identify these zones here, it just needed. So like, look, sells below this zone, buys above this zone. Okay, that's all I'm looking for. And if that comes later on in the day, that's fine. I'll be putting some what's it called? I'll be putting some what's it called? Alerts on. So here, my alert. I'll do this and do this now just to show you guys how you do it. You just do this. So 250, which is right here. That's where I'll be starting to look for. So now TradingView will give me a notification when it does exceed here, which is great. And for sells, will be down here. Lovely, lovely stuff. But you can see me reacting on the support again. It's got a long time to go. But if we do get a close below here, that would be nice. I don't know why I can't move this zone. Let me just fucking do this again. But key level. So waiting for this candle to close so that at 8 o'clock, you can see even so actually another thing, guys, is some people who were taking impulses last week would have got slapped in the ass there, because 8 o'clock, this is the 8 o'clock candle, you can see that we exceeded the low. So people who were impulsively would have got in there, not knowing that there is no top wick at the top at the time, and now they would be in some serious drawdowns. Let's have a look here. So there would have been a 6-pip drawdown, now 3-pip drawdown. So this is why, yes, impulsive can work sometimes, but sometimes they cannot. And if you backtest it enough, it's not as much as 50%, so no point doing it. If there's no top wick, there's no trade for me, unfortunately. But it's funny because the past couple of weeks, this week and last week, there's been a lot of them moves. But also, have you not seen that it's been very, very hard to trade this week? So people will be getting a false sense of security of taking impulses when really they don't work. When there's an impulse with a bottom and a top wick. No, no, no. 24 likes in this, 24 viewers in the chat. Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, we're just waiting patiently here, guys. Any more comments? I got lots of comments on my Instagram yesterday. XL lol. 11 likes in the stream. Sheesh. Sheesh. I'm just looking for this daily flip though. This daily flip's gonna be nice, but it may take a long time, and I'm gonna be very, very cautious with it. So this is GJ. Let's have a look at Kelsey's chart here. Kelsey's chart. Let's have a look here. Hello, hello. I can hear you now. Yay. Lovely stuff. Yeah, yeah. How you doing? Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a bit of a rangy day, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, GJ range needs to go away soon, I'm telling you. Let's have a look here, Kelsey. So, yep, same as me. So you got your support at 152.9, and you have your breaks at 153.25. They look like this is great. So if you look actually at these kind of these trading zones here, on paper they look quite big here, but actually if you just do it, it's only 30 pips, right? It's really not that bad. Not that bad at all. So you just have to wait for the breaks. Just have to wait for the breaks and keep on doing it every single day. Wow, guys, 29 viewers in the chat. Let's get that up, boy. It's nice when Raja doesn't stream on London. It's my town now. So look, the 4 hours still hasn't exceeded the low yet. So if we start flipping here, buys are still valid, but I'll be looking for buys above this region, not just here, due to the fact that there is rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, and rejections here and here. So I want all of that rid, and I want to be flying high, which will happen, I think, today. First target will be this level, and if we do break this level, where we're going to come back up, well, let's have a look here. There's a little zone here I can see, but that was when we fell down. When we started coming up, it's kind of here, isn't it? So If we look here, this is what I want. And this will happen in quick candles, quick succession when volume is near maybe NY or maybe further on for this London stream. This move will happen as long as we stay above the daily. I think this daily low now. As long as we stay above this daily low, I do think price will start to come in. As long as we break this zone here. So this is a really key indication. If we can properly break this resistance and this resistance and this resistance, all on that line here, then we are good for trades even further. 100%, 100%. So that's what we'll be looking for, guys. 11 likes in the stream, lovely stuff, guys. Let's get that up to 15, boy. 15 in the stream. This is called a range day. This is called a market mentality day. You need to be able to, do your discipline, do your psychology here. This is what these days are for. And these days is make or break for traders, okay? I'm telling you. These days can be boring, these days can be useless, but if you can't sit here and look at the market and not take a trade, you've got to set it up and you will not be succeeding, I'm telling you. You have to be able to just take the day and go, you know what, there's no setups for me, leave it. Don't try and look and go, oh well no, but if this breaks here then we could get up. It's like, no, you just need to wait until this zone is broken because you're just going to get slapped. You need to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. But yeah, I'm in Leeds today at the moment. Leeds is fire, bro. I got this nice penthouse thing. Oh, look at this. So if we get a close, if we get a closure, that could be nice. The hourly starting to come. It could fill this wick up here. Lovely stuff. 4 hours starting to come. This is nice. This is nice. Look at this. So the 5 minute dipped into the zone. It's pushed back out. This will be looking nice actually. Not too shabby. So if you want to wait for the 30-minute closure or the 15-minute, this is looking pretty strong. Look at this. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So where would your stop be? Back in this zone, like 16 pips for a 16 pip. Big stops, big stops. Maybe wait for this lower wick to form and then flip. If it happens, or it could just run off now. This hourly is going to flick. So it's past this resistance here. So it should continue further on. This is a gold. And then targets is going to be up here. Okay, so this is a nice 50 pips target if you got in here. Because this is the next zone. This is support, so it should act as resistance now. So the way you could have got in here is, I wouldn't think you could get in here yet, because 30-minute closed bearish, 50-minute hasn't closed yet. I'd wait for a 50-minute close in 4 minutes time. Then you can really start to see some momentum. So this is what I'll be looking for, guys. So this is closure right here, preferably above this last 15-minute, like this. The next one dips down, comes back up, fills this wick. You take profits off here as much as you want, and then you have this little runner. We should start doing this. Like this. So I'm going to actually get my OBS up because I want to screen record this just in case this happens. Where is it? Why can't I get my OBS up, bro? 1 second. Here we go. Start recording. Lovely, lovely stuff. Let's go back to that chart there, guys. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for here. I'm wanting this kind of close like this, solid. Wait for the next one to make its lower wick. When we start exceeding the high of the previous, that'll be a nice entry. Stop loss could be below the previous candle or a bit further if you fancy a bit more room. And that's what I would look for. But this closure is going to be nice. It means the 30 minutes is going to be pushing. The hourly is going to be pushing. Should be good. Let's get this off the screen here. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works here. So the 3 minutes time, we're going to get this nice closure here, guys. 3 minutes time. 35 people in the stream, guys. Make sure you like the chat. Lovely stuff. If you haven't subscribed already, 426 subscribers here. Bear in mind, last week it was like 320, 330. So we moving. Getting some value in here. So 47 minutes. This is good though. This is good. I like how it's dipped in here. Let's have a look here. Stop loss matters. You trade fund and talent account, right? But currently FT is not allowing metals and indices. Why are you trading gold then? Are they not? I think they are. I think they are. Oh no, they're not. No, no, no. I trade gold and stuff on my IC markets. I think that's what I do. Because I have gold and gold is my main thing on IC markets, and then yeah, because the spreads are tight, yeah. So that doesn't really affect me because I use IC markets for the spreads on that. Yeah, for sure, for sure. But yeah, they closed them, isn't it? That's mad. That they shouldn't really be doing that. But yeah, I trade like gold mainly on my IC markets. Yeah, boy, I funded talent account, bro. 100k account, 205. I had a 25k, then I moved it back up to 100k. Do you think GU is looking for good sells? Let's have a look here. How long does this candle got to close? 1 minute 40. I'll quick have a look. GBP USD. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there we go. For sells. I said more sells below this kind of level here because look, we've got support right here. So if you got into a trade right here, you know, and you got into some profits right here, 6 or 7 pips, you're going to be hitting a resistance here. You need to wait until candles break below this zone and close below to look for bigger zones. So this is a bigger zone, and then further down bigger zones. So yeah, I'd wait until we get a closure above 1.385. So let's have a look at gold here. Getting closed in 55 seconds. Nice. This is pushing up juicily. This is looking good. Wow, pushing nicely. So it's already going to exceed the high of the previous. Let's look at the 4 hour here. 4 hours looking nice. We're reacting off support here, guys. Look at this. So this came in at 3 a.m. That 7 a.m. candle, that was nice, man. So if you got in on the flip here, stop loss below the previous. Fucking hell, 40 pips from a 10 pip gain. A 10 pip stop. That's really, really good. And I said before, you know, the next zone is here. So it's clean candles to the left. Clean candles to the left. Look at this. Very, very clean. So there is a very, very good percentage chance that we are going to reach up these highs. So we need to wait for this bottom wick though, because at the moment the stop loss is too big. I want it to come back down here. But if it's just start running here, this will be nice. Look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes closed above. This could start running. So if you're in some gold buys, you're looking pretty good. But I would wait until a low wick is made, especially how the last candle has made a low wick, very big low wick. So look how big this low wick is. This low wick is, you know, about 10, 12 pips. So it could make one here, or it could just stop blasting off. For me, I want to wait it until it's a bigger one. But looks good here. As long as you exceed the high here, should be on to space. And hitting our target here, 1759. That would be beautiful. GJ has been raging since start of this week. I think big move is coming. Yes, but also you need to wait until the move is presenting itself. Don't try and predict it. Just wait until it comes. Wait until a solid close above or below. And yeah, you should be good. Bro, we've got 39 viewers and only 11 likes. Get them likes up, boy. Let's get 20 likes for this gold trade that we're going to be taking. Maybe if you get a... Yes, here we go. This is good. Get our likes up to the chat. I want 20 likes, bro. I want 30 likes. I want 40 likes. Spam that, boy. Lovely stuff. So look at this. Coming down now. This is good. This is what I want to see. So let's just Alright, wait, where is it? So 15-minute time frame here. Nice. I wish I could do this on another thing. It's fucking annoying. A 5 lot on gold? Hell no. 2.5 lot. Okay. Right, I'll keep that in there just in case. And then when we do start flipping here, I think I might want to enter. If you do start exceeding here and flipping this candle right here, I may be looking for entries, guys. That's what I'll be looking for, because all time frames are bullish. All time frames are bullish. We've made the low wick here. If it goes any further, it's going to be yeah, 15 pip stop. That's completely fine with me. And we've had a nice closure above again. We should be good here. Wow, guys, 36 likes, 36 views in the chat. Lovely stuff. Yeah, GJ's been ranging hard, bro. You just have to wait until it breaks out, man. It's all good. It's all good. Oh shit! Someone did send me a chart. Wait, did I look at that chart? Your picture quality is not good. Not able to see numbers on the screen. Also, max resolution in your stream is 720. But I think, how can I get it? Is it only 720? Does anyone know how to change that? Let's have a look. Has that been OBS, won't it? Maybe. Let's have a look here. Stream settings. I wonder where that is. Is it on OBS, do you think? How to change YouTube live stream 1080 1080p, because I've got the thing for it. So in the video player settings quality. Settings quality. I swear I've done that though. I think it's for live streams though, bruh. I wonder if it's on OBS. Let's have a look here. Settings stream. Video. I think I can do it here. Look. 720. Base canvas is 1080 and an output scaled resolution. I think I need to change that one. Is that right? If people know that, I'll do that in the next stream, guys. I'll try it out tonight. But at the moment, it doesn't let me take it. So let's have a look here, guys. Where is my stop loss going to be? So it's going to be about 15735. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Nice. I don't have magic keys and gold, which is rather annoying. But if we do start flipping here, I'm going to be inclined to take a trade here. Should be good. Should be good. Oh, lovely stuff. Yeah, because we've got a nice close 15-minute above. We're coming back up here. It's made its low wick. How long do you have in this candle? Oh, we're starting to come. So I've got a 15 pip stop. That's completely fine with me. Completely fine. Yeah, so we're coming here now. Bit more, please. A bit more, please. In fact, I could just do a buy stop. Yeah, I'll do a pending order. Pending order, buy limit at 155.15. And there we go. Invalid stop loss. Oh, right, okay. I don't want a TP, boy. I'll do one. At 157.9. Like here. Fuck off, what is this? 1753. Oh, bro, I'll just do it myself. Pissing me off, mate. So yeah, we're just waiting here, guys. I'm liking this gold. Let's see actually how long though. I want to see how long we have on this 15-minute. Oh yeah, that's enough time. That's grand. That is enough time for me. Very happy with that. Do do do. So the reason why I'm looking at the time is because I want to see different location. Yeah, boy. You at different location. Yes, I'm in Leeds. I had to move just for a couple of weeks for my girlfriend. But yeah, still the same stuff. I've got a new monitor. Well, no, I've got this monitor, but I forgot to bring the HDMI on my other one, so that's why I'm only on one today. But it'll be back to normal tomorrow. Based off the price right now, yeah, a 1755.15 I'll be looking for. Which is gonna do now. Here we go. I'm gonna enter right here. I shouldn't have done it on the flip, but it didn't. Activated it. Lovely, lovely stuff. So I think momentum here, we should start flipping. Stop loss is 15 pips, which is nice. And yeah. So let's have a look here. So I got in right on the flip there. And I think price should come back up to 1759. Nice stop loss here. Very, very happy with it. The hourly needs to push. 5 minute needs to push. Will be good. Will be good. This could be a losing trade for the first stream ever. That would be amazing. Managing risk. Probably coming back down here. 1754. May take off 50%. That's where I'd look to do it. But at the moment, we've made our lower wick. We should start pushing now. We've got 6 minutes left of this candle. I'm wanting some momentum to come and push it over. If we can't do that, that's fine. That's fine. But I'm going to be ready to take off partials here. So let's have a look. Where is it? Do do do. Do do do. Oh my god, this is so annoying, bro. There we go. Why can't I zoom this up, bro? So because the spreads actually took me out on 5-7 times, that's fine. Yeah, max 170, lovely stuff. 43 viewers in the chat. Sheesh. But yeah, so when we get to this level here, how can I not modify it, bro? I need to like do this. You're pissing me off, boy. Why can't I zoom this up, man, bro? I actually hate MT5, MT4, and MT5. It's just like, bro, where's the? Let's have a look here. Fucking. Why can't I not do it? Oh well. Move it up, boy. So that's actually. I'm glad someone said about fun and talent there. Not fun and talent. The 720p. Very, very happy that you guys told me that. I'll definitely sort that out. But at the moment, I can't fucking take this bloody trade off if I wanted to. Let's have a look here. Here we go. Here we go. So we do that like that. Lovely, lovely stuff. So yeah, let's wait here, guys. If you come back down to this level here, oh my god, I'm gonna be taking off. Love, I can do it here. There we go. Modify or delete. Lovely, lovely stuff. So I've got it here now. Thank God for that. Jesus Christ, magic keys, bro. I need the magic keys on here. I just haven't set it up for gold. I've only got it on GJ because I only trade GJ really. But let's see if we can flip this candle right here. That would be nice for me. But if not, I'm going to take off a certain level. This is the order. I don't want a bloody order. I want to be able to manage my trade here. Right, let's wait here. So we're flipping again, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Give me some volume for this last one. 1755, that's great. 1755.15. We flipped the candle. Come on. Come on. And if I can't do it, so let's have a look at the time frames here. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minutes looking good. Very, very happy. So if you do come back to here, 1754, I'll be taking off 75% of my trade. But we are breaking the highs here right now. Just needs a bit more volume in, a bit more momentum. Here we go. And this is going to be amazing. But yeah, if you do come back here, 1754, I'm taking off 75% of my trade here. Because if you can't break that, that's mad. And this is why, you know, managing your risk is so, so important. So look, we're coming down here. 1754 I'll be looking for, taking off the trades. But I'd take that any day. I mean, look at the 30-minute, lovely. 50-minute made a strong bullish candle. We flipped it numerous times, but unfortunately we can't have the momentum yet. We are closing in 2 minutes time. So 2 minutes time, if you close bearish, I'm going to have to take off my trade, I feel. Due to the fact that, you know, my main rules are if it's bearish, you do it. Not worried about the 30-minute bottom wick. 30-minute bottom wick? What do you mean 30-minute bottom wick? We've already made the bottom wick. Good. There, at least there's one there. That's what I like. And the hourly, looking good. Yeah, boy. Oh, 45 views in the chat. Sheesh, that's amazing. That is amazing bars. That is amazing bars. We haven't actually exceeded the high of the previous 5 minute, which is mad. But in 2 minutes time, we should be able to. But what I'm thinking about now is, you know, we're coming towards this 15-minute candle here. Are we going to be able to? Oh, but this hourly, this 30 minutes closing. That's good. That's good. But this 15-minute, we could play the celery play, which is all right. But still, I'm going to take off my zones if we do go back to here. 1754. 1754, guys. But yeah, I mean, look at how much space we have though to push. Buy stop if the price above the price right now. Yeah, boy, that's basically what I did. But for some MT4 reason, this setup here, I need the 2 screens. I normally have 3 and I'm down to 1, and it's killing me. Yeah. Dude, 49 views, 50 views in the chat, mate. You really get these likes, oh boy. Live trading. This is going to be maybe my first loss of this stream ever. I haven't actually taken a losing trade yet, but you can see how I'm managing it. When we come back to this zone here, 1754, I am taking off 50 or 75%, or maybe the whole thing. I'll see at the time. But this 30 minutes closed, which is good. It's good that it's closing above kind of this zone here, which is what I'm happy with. But we can't pass 1755.1. That's the only thing. Let's have a look at GJ here. GJ is still in this shitty range, waiting for sells below 152.900 and buys above 153.25. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Give me something. Give me something. Come on, gold. The celery play. The celery play. Controller FX's pulling down. Still got my stop here. I'll be taking off. So that'll be the low. Nah, it's alright. Let's go the 30 minute. 30 minutes looking good as well. I'm actually happy to hold this kind of on, I'd say. Because now the 15 minute is closed above resistance. If this closed in, then I'll be more worried. But because we've closed above, very, very happy to hold this on here. It's a trade I'll take every single day. And these run very, very nicely. With volume and stuff like that, we should be good. 11 likes on the stream, but 50 watching. Bro, get them likes up, boy. So how am I going to close positions here? Need to break 5 minute resistance. Yep, we need a break here. Sure do. But this 30 minute closure should be a good indication, to be honest. As long as it doesn't wick all the way back down, we should be good. Here we go, guys. If we get this dub in the stream, I swear to God, we'll be getting some likes in this chat. We better be getting them likes in this chat. Come on! Come on! Gold! We've broken the level. We've broken it. There we go. Broken the high of the previous 5 minute, guys. This is live trading, guys. We don't do no bullshit. This is live trading. Lovely, lovely stuff. Hourly's going to exceed the high of the previous. I'm up about 5 pips here, guys. Up about 6 pips. Lovely, lovely stuff. 5 minutes starting to push. This is going to be nice here. And here we go. This is live trading. Now, I swear to God, guys, you gotta be kidding me with them 11 likes, bro. Get them likes up. Hell no. So what am I going to be doing now to manage risk? Still here, 1754. But I'm happy to keep this trade on now. I've exceeded the high. We should continue. We should continue. Yeah. I put stop loss break even. Yeah, I wish I could if I had magic keys at the moment, but unfortunately gold doesn't. So I'm happy with this one. I'm happy even if I lose this because it's to the T, to the T, to this day. Just needs a bit more momentum, a bit more of a push. We should be good. Morning, Imran. Morning, morning. This is a very, very good question. Do I use the same lot size for GJ? Hell no. Today here I use a 2.5 lot, and GJ I use like 3.5 or 4. So no. And here we go, guys. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is what I'm saying, yeah? This is what I'm saying. We're running, we're running. Let's have a look how far we got left. 127, not too bad, not too bad. I'm still happy to hold this on here. We're breaking highs. Let's go. We should come back to this zone up here. I'm not going to hold on the full thing, but I'll be getting it. Let's have a look at here. 5-minute time frame. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Stop loss break even. I'd say, yeah, about now. I don't really want it coming back and flipping this candle, really. Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. Lovely stuff. I want it to continue further on. Here we go. Here's the push, guys. Here's the push. I still have my 10 pips yet, nearly. But I'm wanting a bit more. Stop loss is at break even though, so that's all I really care about. But we should still continue here. Don't really want it coming back at this resistance. We should stop pushing here. But you know, with gold you have to be stop loss break even, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, if you don't get this, it'll be break even trade. But every single day, that's nice. I mean, like if we still keep on pushing here, we should be good. Look at the 1 minute where we're facing. Yeah, nice. Let's go. Come on, G. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Let's do a dance. Let's do a dance. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. You need to fly. Oh! And here we go, guys. I'll be taking off. How can I? I can't even take off partials with this stupid thing. I'm just going to take off full at this point, nearly. Nearly. Here you go. Bro, let me take it off. There we go. Fucking hell. Bruh. Is that off? Is that off? Is that off? Let me have a look here. Oh my god. Why does it still say I'm on, bro? Oh my god, this fucking... This absolute monitor is pissing me right off. Oh, bro, I'm still in it. Fucking close, bro. There we go. Fucking hell. Amazing work, guys. Amazing stuff, bro. Get them streams up. Get them likes up, bro. Easy, easy stuff. We got 10 pips there. Easy stuff. I wish it wasn't bad at all. Lovely stuff. So basically, the whole thing to that was, you know, 50-minute exceed the highs, 30-minute closed above resistance, and we should be continuing on now. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And we should be coming up and tapping our zone here, 1759. Which would be tasty. And if I had magic keys on, which I'm going to set up tomorrow, is there a reason you don't execute on the app? Yeah, I don't really like it on the app, but it's only because of my setup. It's only because I've moved desks here very recently that I don't really like it. But it's because I don't have two screens. If I have two screens, I have that on the full, and I don't have to fuck about with it. But yeah, normally it's alright. Don't worry. Tomorrow it'll be fine because I'm getting a HDMI cable, and it'll all be good. So look at this now, guys. We are in about 15 pips profit. I took profits at about 11, but we should continue back to our TP here. It's our full TP, which would be rather nice. Maybe get them likes up in the stream, boy. We're in this trade, easy stuff. Live streaming. Look at the 30-minute time frame here. Where's it pointing? We're pointing up. We're pointing up. Look at the 4. Look at the 4 hour. We're coming to our zone now. 19 pips profit. And that is how you trade gold. So you can see my stop loss is there very, very quickly. When we exceeded these highs here, my stop loss was, you know, it break even very, very quickly here. Very, very quickly. Let me just do a Instagram. Morning, morning, guys. We got a gold 10 pips trade. Actually ran to 20, but unfortunately my magic keys was not on at gold, which is annoying, so I had to close full at 10 pips. But lovely stuff. Breaking the highs here. We are still coming up. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. GJ, absolute range, but this is all caught on live stream. We've got 52 people in the chat, 11 likes. Beautiful stuff, guys. W's in the chat. To be fair, I need decent W's. And we need to play our favourite song. Well done, everyone. Well done, everyone. Well done, everyone. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know why every time I press 1 on that, when I press up, we have to do this here again. Ah, yeah, it works fine there. Well done, everyone. Well done, everyone. If you caught that trade with me, congrats, congrats, congrats. You're putting W's in the chat, boy. W's in the chat. We got W's in the chat. Let me join in that W. Let me join in that W trade. Yeah, yeah, boy. Oh shit, we got loads of W's, bro. 24 likes. Oh, bro, why have I not been? Why did my thing keep on saying 11 likes? Oh my god, that's so funny, bro. I've been slagging you guys off saying, where's my fucking likes at? And you've actually given me likes. That is some W's in the stream, guys. W's in the chat, bro. So that, you know, that's what you need to do for gold. Obviously, I got in on the push, but, you know, all kind of ways there. I was barely in any drawdown for half of it. And then when we started pushing again, it's fine. Even that 5 minute, you're still holding. Sheesh! I wish I kept on holding. Fuck. But that MT4 without magic keys, I can't do it anymore. I don't remember how to do it. That's lovely. So up about 24, 25 pips. Lovely, lovely stuff. And that's class, you know. Coming back up here, so you can see. Why is this not my zone? This is a different gold chart. That's why. But you can see, you know, we'll be coming, and where we tapping back, we're going to be tapping right back on that level. If we tap this, guys, that would be full deep analysis, bro. Full analysis here. And you know, we need to applaud yourself for that. It's a really, really good trade. I only take gold trades like this when, you know, it's really, really clear. But yeah, 20 pips there, 20 pips. So let's actually do this on OBS, guys, just for people new joining the streams. Let's have a look at this here, guys. So we've got trades called gold, and it went plus 25 pips. Lovely stuff. And we've talked about other things, but nothing much important really, because all the other things are ranging. You have to right click. What was this? You have to right click and then modify trade, then you can close partials. That's it. Thank you, my boy. Well, luckily tomorrow I'll have all the magic keys sorted, so I don't really care, but I need to know that, yeah. Lovely, lovely stuff. Still holding. So when are you going to take profit, though? This is the thing. So would you trail on the would you trail on the 5 minute, or looking left? You still should be all right, but the thing is just taking profits. How big would you stop? Try and get the 1-to-1 risk to reward at least. But W's in the chat, man, every single day, bro. I haven't actually had a losing trade on London still. I think I had a -3 pipper actually. No, I did. I had a -3 pips, but I don't really count that as a loss. It's a pretty good loss for me. 46 viewers in the chat, bro. So we're coming back up here. So now this is what could happen with gold. So obviously you look left. This is the next zone here. We could either come back up here. Let's just lock this in place. Right. So we could come up here. Like we did, like this, lovely stuff. And then close, bro, had TP 1578 flat, but closes started retracing. Lovely, lovely stuff. Yep. And then look, price could start coming down, and at some point it may make a support, maybe here. And then what people will want to do is wait for candles to start making bullish shines again, like this. Start coming up and down, start coming here. Closure above resistance, like which is here. and then they'll be getting the buys above. So that's what people will be looking for NY. As all time frames are bullish, as long as it stays bullish, it's good. Right, let's have a look at this. Apparently the GBP pairs are moving. Okay. Yeah, they're moving, but nothing interesting. GU's looking better. Okay. It's still barcodey for the 4 hour, but look at the hourly. It's looking good. Have this appear. Lovely stuff, guys. Let me just keep this. Thing in. This is just going to be a YouTube's highlight, which I want to do. So I got in like, where did I get in? Where the fuck did I get in? Like here? Yeah. Just in case TP gets to actually my zone, which I've marked out here, that would be a nice Instagram. Yes, sir. Right, so yeah, volume's starting to come in and stuff, but there is still no moves, guys. There's still no moves either above here. You need a closure above this zone, unfortunately. And you can also see for GU, we haven't. So look here, resistance, here, resistance, here. The 4 hour is undecisive. Here, the daily is bullish. So, higher time frames are contradict themselves. So there's not really any trades you can take there, guys. Unfortunately. But trades above here could be alright, or even safer trades above here. And that's what it's gonna be, man. That's what it's gonna be. I mean, 41 views in the chat, 25 likes, 430 subscribers. That's amazing, guys. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do, guys. It really helps me out for gaining new audiences, gaining new traction. I love the dislikes as well. Dislikes are great as well. No dislike. Why did you just make 25 pips on gold? Why did you miss 25 pips on gold, boy? Daily's looking good for GU though. Daily's looking nice, yeah. But it's just mainly the 4 hour and the 30-minute that are just a bit oof. Let's see if there's clean candles. So yeah, you can see above here there is clean candles all the way up. So this is kind of where you'd want to take the moves. In this kind of box here. 1 second. In this box here. This is where you'd want to take the moves. And plainly because it's got a big range and there's clean candles to the left. That's how it works. Let's have a look at GJ here. GJ, choppy as hell, bro. Choppy like that. Choppy. It's ass. Don't fucking touch GJ, please. Don't touch it. In the space of 8 o'clock, which is here it has moved 11.7 pips. So even if you got the most pinnacle entry, like down here for a buy or down here for a sell, you only just made 10 pips. Like, trust me, bro. Learning about like a price and a currency pair, which it just isn't working the way you want it to, just leave it, bro. The amount of times I'd fucking try and just get pissed off going, it's gonna break soon. But the one thing that I need to tell people is yes, this range is gonna break. It's gonna be in this range, okay, like this whole range here, and I could bet you bottom dollar either today, tomorrow, or Monday, it's gonna break, okay. You trying to guess when it's gonna break, as in like this. Oh, prices coming up here. It's looking good, but we haven't closed above still. And then you take an impulse, and then you get slapped again. And it could just be doing this, ranging here for ages. The one thing you need to do is wait for a candle closure, either above or below. So either a candle which comes up here, closes, and it's gonna be solid. Okay, when it breaks up a zone when it's been in for a long time, it's a solid candle, okay, like this, okay. All you have to do is wait for this solid candle. When it makes a slow wick, it's grand, and then when it starts exceeding, then you're good, okay. Same with below, okay? Same with below here. Solid red candle. Wait for the low wick, and boom. Okay, because it's gonna break hard. I think I just saw a message. What was the message? What was the message, boy? Let's have a look here. I know. No message, no message. I'm just glad we got a W the chat. 28 likes, guys. That's great for a Thursday, man. Love that stuff. But yeah, I'm here every single morning, 7:30 to 8:30. I'm gonna be putting spins on things, so I've got things in plan for giveaways and kind of that stuff. Actually, yeah, let me just wear this top for the last last half an hour. This top is fire. This top, fuck yeah, look at this top. Look at this top, bro. Risk to reward top. That's fire. This like trading merch and stuff is actually really, really good. I'd say better than most places because I've actually had a lot of kind of merch sent to me. This is pretty fire, and it's the link is in my bio. Don't get paid from it. I'm just helping my boy out because he's made some really cool designs actually. I think they're fire. I think they're really fire designs. So make sure you go have a look. Yes, sir. I'll put that up. I would love to go out with like a bunch of trading people like on a night out. That'd be sick. Anyone in the UK, like holler at me. That'd be fucking sick. Like a proper like trading night out, bro. That'd be fire. Jeez. Whereabouts? Whereabouts is everyone from? Guys, everyone put in the link where you guys are from. I want to see. London. Jeez. I'm in London quite a bit actually. My dad races quite a lot down there, so he races those cars, bro. And East London, we got India. Jeez, India's fire. Glasgow, bro. Jeez. Glasgow's far, man. Glasgow's far. I mean, I was at how far? So a couple of weeks ago, I went to Silverstone. And that was like 4.5 hours. How far is Silverstone from London? Slovenia. Wow. Wow, there's a lot of people from London here. Fuck. I live in Newcastle. Well, at the moment I'm in Leeds, but Newcastle normally. But I'll be moving soon for the job tings. We got Bradford, bro. We've got everyone in California. Jeez. I've been to California. Where's the most exotic places you've been? I've been to Cuba. Anyone been to Cuba? Barbados. Exotic places, bro. Wow, there's a lot of people in the UK here. That's fucking sick. I would love to do that, like a meet, not like meet and greet, 'cause I'm not fucking famous, but like just meeting people. That candle flipping strategy is amazing. Yes, sir. And the reason why it is amazing is because of the certain parameters it takes out. For example, fake outs. I barely get faked out because I'm waiting for the bottom wick. Whereas a lot of people might get into a trade, then it wicks all the way back and closes back in the range, and they've just been faked out. Okay, GJ. Okay, you got some momentum coming in. That's nice. Yeah, the candle flipping, bro. I'm telling you, it's how you do it. GJ breaking a 4-hour high with 1-hour consolidation. 4-hour looks steady and better way to trade. Buy at break of high now with stop loss below 4-hour and ride it. Kind of an idea. So 4-hour. So your stop loss would be, so if you get in now, stop loss will be 14 pips. But to be honest, mate, that's not bad. If people pay the long-term game and the higher time frames, that's not bad. 16 pip stop for a 4-hour is not bad at all. But you know, for me, I want to look at buys above here. But for someone like that, they like that stuff. Lovely stuff, guys. This chat's getting a lot better. You know, a lot more. You know, I want you guys to be comfortable just texting anything. I want the chat to be booming. Got in on the 15-minute salary for gold. Nice. That's what I got. Well, I got a little bit earlier, but yeah, lovely. What about US30, bro? Rajpreet, please send me a chart and I'll have a look at. I don't really look at US30 myself, but if you send me a chart, I could easily look at it. And if you send me a chart, you just press the camera button on TradingView and just send me the link. Lovely, lovely stuff, guys. 42 viewers, man. 25 likes. If you haven't liked the stream already, like that bitch. Hell yeah. I want to get like 50 viewers. I think I get 50 likes. I think if you get 50 likes, it puts it on to recommended quite a lot. Because last time I did that, I got loads of people. Or you can wait for 1 hour break above the zone and then use Seed FX style to trade. Who the fuck is that? Or you could wait for the hourly or the 15-minute or the 30-minute to close above and then take the lower wick, and then when the lower wick flips, you're in. But this is really good. I'm glad that everyone is, you know, waiting in this range and identifying. But this here cannot be pissing you off. It can't, because it happens every so often. But the one thing which I did when I was younger was I'd trade this range for like a week, lose literally like 50% of my account, and I'd be like, fuck. And the next week, it would be moving like butter, and I'd be like, I've literally just wasted 50. If I just left that week and came for the next week, that's when the moves were. And that's literally, you can see this from the 4 hourly and the daily. There's a lot of consolidation. There's a lot of crap around. So just take that out and you'll be good. You'll be good. 41 viewers in the stream, man. This is amazing. Amazing stuff. When Roger Banks ain't on London stream, bro, I own this place. Me and Roger do trade very, very similarly. I think he has got more of an impulsive, whereas I like to be a bit more reserved. It just means I do less trades and get less losses, really. But that gold was fire, bro. Where is gold now? Wow, we're nearly here, nearly hitting my full TP. So it actually ran about 30 pips. Not bad, that. Not bad, not bad. Has more experience, right? Wait, who has more experience? Yeah. So Raja's been here for long. But to be fair, I mean, I've been trading probably the same amount of time as him. It's just I was very young. This is the thing. It's age thing. So when I was trading, when he started trading, I was trading when I was 16. He was trading when he was what, fucking 30. So that's just different. I've been bred into this, bro. You're in GU cells. GU cells. Let's have a look. GU cells, bro. So GU cells. Well, the 50 minutes bullish, the 30 minutes bullish, the hourly's bullish. The 4 hour has exceeded the high of the previous and the low of the previous. The hourly's exceeded the high. The daily's bullish. Oof. Why? Bad Bicos, can you tell me why you're in GU cells for me, please? Your swing. Ah, right. Swing. I suppose it's bearish overall, but it is making support there. So oof. But anyway, I am short on GJ on the 4 hour time frame. Okay. Short on the 4 hour time frame. Guys, please show me. Guys, please show me why. Who is this? Rajpreet, show me why you are short. Where's the stop loss? Where's the entry? Please send me a thing, because I don't know where this short is coming from. The last candle closed bullish. It's made support on this level here. Please send me a chart, and then I'll happily look at it. Are you expecting this zone to hold? Probably. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, be careful on that. Be careful on that. Lovely stuff, guys. This is an amazing stream today. We've had so many views, man. It's amazing. GJ's moving to 156 midterms. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree. I think with longevity, we should come. So when did we actually hit this? When was this? May. Yeah, 100%, 100%. You can see where we're coming. You can see the trajectory, right? The only issue is this zone we're at right now, and this is why it's ranging. So you need to be able to understand this, okay, guys? This here, wait, was big resistance before. 1 second. This here, big resistance before. Okay. Now if you look here, this is why it's struggling, because this is also going to be a big resistance. But when we get a clean candle, which should be next week, then you'll see that price will be moving nice and clearly up to the tops. Once we are clear of this zone, you'll be fine. But at the moment, this is why it's ranging. It's struggling to break above this zone, which is exactly what happened last time. And, you know, we don't know where it's going, but, you know, you can't decide it. You wait until the market shows you. If you can't close above this region here at some point, we are going to be going back down. No matter how much you think or not, we're going to be going back down. We need a closure above, and we need to exceed this kind of zone. And then we'll be good. That's all it will be. 430 subscribers, guys. I want to put a subscriber thing out so I can say thank you to everyone who subscribed. That'd be sick. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, bro. 430, so we're nearly halfway to 1,000. Wow, bro, that's a fire. In a very, very quick succession as well, guys. So yeah, if you guys are in shorts here, good luck. Oh god. Oh god. If you're in shorts, maybe maybe take them shorts off. Just maybe. Don't try come in first. Entry is 1532. Here. Stop loss 1536. Okay. So basically, you're telling me that you are wanting to short and you're expecting price here to hold resistance. So let me tell you, if this candle here breaks above, like this, and does something like this, are you going to still be holding? Because the only thing with the swinging, right, and this is one of the examples here, is, you know, you got in it here, very, very fair enough. When you got to this level here, you're already up 20 pips, and you didn't take anything, and now you're going to be in drawdown in about 15 seconds time. So that's why, you know, swinging and stuff, it's very, very hard to be profitable with it, because you don't know when to take profits. And you go, oh yeah, well my risk to reward, you know, my TP's down like here. It's like, well yeah, but what if it reverses here? What if it reverses here? You're just going to be wasting time. There's not actually many trades you're going to be taking. But each to their own. I think everyone needs to, you know, do all the strategies, and then you'll start to see which ones kind of make sense. So look at this. So we've got a 30-minute closure. If you look, unfortunately, we haven't closed above this resistance right here. So for me, there's still no buys, because we could reject at any point at this zone, this zone, this zone, this zone, and maybe this one. So this is all I'm doing to myself, right? Here. I'm basically doing this, right? This is what I'm doing in my head. So you can see we've got resistance here, we've got resistance here, we've got resistance here. Look at this box. This is exactly where it was last time. Are we going to have resistance here? Question mark. You see that question mark there? Wait, fuck off. That question mark right there. So the question mark is, you know, based on the data that we have, what is the probability that we're going to reject? Well, if you look past, we've literally been rejecting 15,000 times. So now there's no chance. And as you can see here, we just rejected like a motherfucker. Because we didn't get a close above. This is all I'm doing, you know. Every single time there's a trade that I'm looking at or something, I am literally looking look at the candles to the left, has there been rejection before? Yes. So what am I going to do? I'm maybe going to be careful and wait until we get a closure above the zone. And that is all you do. That is all you do every single time. It's just using your common sense to look, right, this candle hasn't closed above this resistance here. You know, it's clear, look, resistance. Resistance, 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 question mark. Is there going to be resistance? Probably. So don't use it. Probably means there's more than 50% chance it's going to happen. So don't take the trade. All about probability in here. And if you don't get that, you need to get it. And I'm actually going to put out my Google Drive probability thing for everyone to watch. I might put it on YouTube because I think it'll really help you guys. It's quite old, but it'll work. It'll be nice. Yeah. Lovely, lovely stuff. And you can still hear the hourly closed on this zone here. Can you see that it closed literally on this resistance? So, you know, for me, there's no trades right now because the hourly closed like that. Oh, come on. I want gold to hit my TP, the full TP. It's been struggling though, but I mean, it's still been continuing. Nice. The 30-minute is very, very clean. 30-minute is very, very clean. If you guys are new to the stream here, guys, I took a gold trade here. It ran about 30 pips. I took my pips off about 13, 14 pips, which is a 1-to-1 risk to reward because this was about 14 pips. So, yeah, amazing, amazing trade. And also, I basically discussed about managing risk, and it was if we passed 1754, I'll be taking off 75%, and that's what I did. And it never came there, and that was good. That's just to manage risk. I use the 5-minute to manage risk. That's all I do. The 5-minute is very, very important. So same with GU here. Let's have a look. Haven't got a closure above this zone right here. So for me, there is nothing. Closure above here. That's what I'm talking about. Haven't had a closure, so no trade. See, very, very easy, very, very simple. Do you always close at 1-to-1, mate? No. So that trade there, that gold trade, I would have held on if I had magic keys and it was all sorted. But it was stressing me out, especially with gold. I take partials pro. So if I had a 10 pip stop, which is going to be my maximum for GJ. If I have a 15 pip stop for gold, I'd probably start to take some off at 15 pips. My stop loss will be a break even at about 8, I'd say, or 6 or 7, 6, 7, 8. It kind of depends, but if the zones are good, so like here, the reason why I would have kept gold on was because look how big this zone is. Look how clean these candles are. So this is why I would have kept it on for probably about here, to be honest. When I first saw maybe the first 5-minute push down, probably. But yeah. So 20 pip stop loss and 60 pip TP. Great. Is this for sells? Okay. So a 20 pip stop loss and a 60 pip TP. Okay, so 1 to 3. That's like me, and this has happened numerous times on stream. I'm just telling you, this is just maybe an eye opener here. A 20 pip stop loss and a 60 pip TP is like me taking a trade with a 5 pip stop loss and a 15 pip gain, which is me every single day. And those trades take me 5 minutes, whereas how long would your 60 pip trade take? Probably about, what, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours? And how many times could it reverse if volume comes in and momentum and news comes out? A lot of times. So this is why I'm trying to teach you that for longevity and stuff, for long big trades that you won't have a 60, 70 pips profit, you can do that with runners. But the actual trades that I take are very, very quick. Yes, a couple of hours, see? In a couple of hours, how different can that be? How much news and stuff can change how the market moves. You know, one little news event and your whole analysis is screwed. That's kind of why. But everyone each to their own. I used to like doing that. But with runners and stuff, yeah, runners can help me. But mainly just 10, 20 pips a day with like a 5, 6, 7 pip stop loss. Great. It's great, I tell you. So it's got no top wick here, which is good. If this flips, this could be quite nice. Could be quite juicy. Still not here yet. I still think it'll still reach there eventually, but have to see. We'll have to see. 25 likes, guys. Can we not hit 30 likes in the stream? That'll be amazing. 30 likes. Yeah, I'm trying something new. Ah, lovely stuff. Good stuff, man. Yeah, trying stuff new, being adaptive and fluid is really, really good. So look at this hourly closing. As long as you don't exceed the lows of the previous hourly, this shit should continue. Even the 30-minute there. Let me just take this off for people. As long as you don't exceed the low of the previous 30-minute, we should be good here. Back up to TP. But yeah, the reason why I like this gold is because clean candles here. Clean candles. I mean, there's actually quite a lot of clean candles all the way back up, so that's great. So the next zone, if we do tap up here and actually close above, you'd have to wait for a break above 1764. That's what I'll be looking for. 1764. That's what I'll be looking for. I usually use price action like control FX and Reddit, but lately I've been able to trade New York because of work. I haven't. That's all right. That's all right. I haven't been trading New York recently. Actually, I've been trading just London. But that's fair though. Yeah, I think a lot of people can't trade NY. Towards NY at the moment, rough man. I'd rather trade London to be honest. NY has so many fake outs recently. This is looking good though. So I've got my alert on there, and I'm very very happy to hold that on. 100%. Very very nice. 36 people in the chat. Lovely lovely stuff, guys. If you guys haven't liked it yet, please do. If you guys also got charts or psychology things, anything you want to ask me, it's all good. It's 37 likes. Oh, it's because this fucking thing keeps on refreshing. Oh my god, it is, bro. That's so fire. So I have my iPad on, and it's like it says like 20 likes. It's like, bruh. Oh, that's better. 34 watching, 36 likes. Amazing. 36 likes. That's amazing. Lovely, lovely stuff. So tomorrow is going to be a nice clean day because tomorrow there's no news. There's no news here, so tomorrow should be very, very clean. Nice trades. But yeah, also today I apologize for like this fucking fanning about with MT4 and all that kind of stuff. It's because I forgot my HDMI monitor, HDMI plug, so I'm gonna go buy one today. And the Wi-Fi here has been alright, and I need to do that 1080p actually. I'll try and do that 1080p. I'll have a look and see how I can do that. Because that'll be nice. I've got a fucking 2K camera. I've got a beefy PC. I've got a big PC, so it should work quite nicely. But look at that. Look at that. So this is why, on candle closes, this is why waiting for bottom wicks is very, very important because, I'll be still waiting for this bottom wick. Even if this closed above and this wicked all the way down, I still wouldn't be in this trade, whereas someone on candle closes might be in it. So that is the risk you take, okay? Look at this. So 4 hour is back. So now this is why you can see we're still in the range here. 4 hour bearish, okay? Daily bullish. So when the two higher time frames are contradicting themselves, you stay the fuck away, okay? Let me write that down, okay? How the fuck do I do that? Oh, yeah. When 4 hour and daily contradict, you stay the fuck away. Amazing. I hope that's how you spell contradict. I'm really shit at English. So there you go. That is my analysis for GJ today. Oh. Oh, I don't want it on every chart, bro. Fuck off. Oh, it's because it's Zoom. Get off, bro. Get off me. Is GU doing anything yet? Are we coming up? No. So still ranging? That's completely fine. It's completely fine, guys. You can't do anything about that. You can't do anything about that at all. Oh, bro, I want to play some CSGO after this, man. CSGO in the morning, fire. Does anyone play CSGO here, please? Why does no one play CSGO? Every time I ask this in chat, no one plays CS. Bro, I fucking bash CSGO right now. I got it like 3 months ago, and I've just been bashing ever since. Yeah, CSGO. Add me, wait. This is my Steam account. Wait, what the fuck? Right here. Profile. Valorant, yeah, I play Valorant as well. Look. 169 hours on the record. Past 2 weeks. Only 21 hours. That's rough, that. I play Valorant. I play Valorant as well. Look at that emblem, bro. I'm such a fat nerd. Holy shit. I quite like Valorant as well, but CS is just OG, man. Look at this pull down, man. Look at that, bro. Thank God we didn't get any trades because we all listened to each other. So now people in them shorts again. Venom, my wallpaper. It's a badass. Oh yes. I've got a Venom pop. I'm meant to be Funko. I'm meant to have this on pre-order, and I don't know why it isn't here yet. Because yeah, look, it's fucking sold out. But I had it in the thing. I want this one, and I want to put it in my PC. Yeah. Carnage the movie. Yeah, fuck. Actually, what's Carnage look like on here? That looks like a big like shit. Oh, I like that one though. Yeah, that one's pretty fire. I quite like that one. That one's pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie. I've got this one coming next day. I think I showed you guys. No, bro, I don't want these shitty ones. I want the fucking Heath Ledger one. Heath Ledger, don't even talk to me. Heath Ledger, what's Joe Pop Funko. Yeah, this one. I've got this one coming. The fuck? £27? I need to pay like 12 for it. Look how sick that one is. Proper Dark Knight one. You move your desk. Cole, I'm in Leeds. I moved my whole setup to Leeds, bro. To Leeds. Oh yeah. But yeah, that one's coming. That one's coming soon. So I'm gonna have that on my PC. It's gonna be fire. Sheesh. Yeah, I only got one monitor, Cole, at the moment because I fucking forgot my HDMI for the other one, which is awful. I was just wait, Cole, were you here just a second ago when I was talking about CS:GO? I was like, everyone play CS:GO here, bro. So let's see gold here. Did we actually get it? So gold's come back down now, but you should have been able to take a lot of profits there. A lot of profits. So actually, I'm gonna take my recording off before it takes 15 seconds to render. Stop recording. There we go. Nice. So yeah, gold didn't actually hit RTP, but very, very close. Hit actually 1758. So 30 pips profit, not bad at all for that trade. GU still in the range here. GJ still in the range here. I mean, look at that, bro. Like, if anyone can tell me where this is going next, you're fucking bullshitting, okay? No one has an idea where it's going. You have to wait for candles to close. People will be doing this all day today. Where is it? Oh, that's fucking... I like taking the mick out of this one. Where is it? Triangle pattern. Here we go. So, if you start from here, guys. Start from here. Here. So, oh, fuck. Oh my god, there's another one. What the fuck? Wait, that's wrong. Get that off. Get that off. See, wrong trading strategy here, guys. Need a better one, right? So here. Let's do it from here. All the way down to here. All the way down to here. Okay, guys. So when price breaks above or below this range, we're good. Okay. This is the great. Yeah, one monitor is fucking rough. I'm telling you. At least it's the good monitor though. So people will actually do this, and people will also be doing this. Fibonacci. Where is it? Who uses fibs here? Who uses fib retracement? So what would it be on the high of the previous? And then here. Yeah, so look, it's reacting on this level, or maybe the low. Is it there? See, it's so like it's so bullshit because it's just like how much you just want to make it look right. But if it works for people, fair enough. If it gives some kind of confluence, that's fair. But wow, 36. Wait, is it 36 likes? Or is it different now? Bro, 36 likes, 2 dislikes. Amazing, amazing. Jeez. Yeah, but fibs don't work in a range. It needs to be a trending market. Ah, okay. That's what you use it. I get you. I get you. But yeah, you can see daily's still hovering on the bullish side, but I'm still got this indicator, this alert on at this level here, looking for buys above that level. did you use to document your trades, bro? Yeah, on Trello. I need to get back to it. It's just it takes a lot of time on my day, and I'm already fucking busy as shit. Um, but yeah, I think I went through this before. I think someone's changed the fucking background. This background here, I don't know who's done it because I don't really get how Trello works, but someone changed the background. Let me try and change it again. Fucking, because the background was sick. The background was like how the fuck do you do it? The background was like a Wall Street thing. It was sick. But yeah, this is where I journal it. 185 people follow it. Fucking hell. Basically, just go through trades here. Winners, losers. Look at them. Probably in detail. These were my pips for the weeks and etc. etc. For I think I did it from October to February. That's quite a big time though. Like this 20 pip move and shit. So you have the screenshot, and then you have the talking about it, and yeah, that's kind of how it does it. And then obviously the negative ones are the best ones to look at, really. So look at this. So look at this guy. This is probably, so when was this? This is probably when I properly introduced the wick forming and kind of stuff. So it was ranging. Got a close, a 7A candle, closed above, looking nice. Took a buy and exceeding the high. This happened way too early in the candle. So can you see this? This is really, really, really important. So from learning this and from doing this every single time and looking that I lost this trade, this is how I came up with the candle flip. Okay. If I wait for the candle flip, that's not early on in the candle, and then when we start exceeding again, I take the chances of this fake out, and I wouldn't be in this trade. So this is why waiting for candle closing above, and then wait for the low wick to form and then exceeding means I don't get into any of these trades. Whereas this one over here, I would have got into because you closed above again, and then wait for the low wick and start exceeding. But yeah, this is very, very interesting. So it does really, really help you there to try and basically tighten up your kind of thing here. You usually look for the same things on GJ and XAU. Yeah, exact same thing. Pretty much, yeah. Just closes above, low wicks to form, exceeding highs, exceeding lows. Yeah, that's all I do. Exactly the same for each one. Basically no difference, apart from gold I take very, very rarely, unless it's a nice setup before London, New York. Because New York's where the volume comes, as you can see numerous times here. There's New York volume. But yeah. That, imagine if you caught that 600 pips. Oh my god, that's like 60% of your account. Fucking hell. That is mad. That is a madness. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet already, that'll be amazing. Try to get it to 40 likes. That'll be sick. And yeah, really, really solid trade. So we actually talked today about gold. Actually, I didn't do gold buys, but talked about gold. We talked about GU supports being made, and you need to wait until closures above. Why are you in Leeds? Oh, just to see Caitlin, just because we thought, why not have some time by ourselves in here? It's pretty fire. Pretty fire. Just a bit of change of scenery. Let's have a look here. GJ, yeah. So GJ, we talked about support here. We literally tapped this level right here. We didn't get a closure below, so there's no trade, and you can see we rallied back up. For buys, we still didn't close above resistance, which was here and here and here and here, so no trade. We waited until closures about here. So completely managing your risk and all that good stuff is great. Great stream as always, mate. See you again tomorrow. Take it easy. How can I send you a chart? So I'll show you how to send a chart. Okay, so you come here on Trading View. You go to the top right hand corner where the camera is. It says take a snapshot. You go copy link to chart image, and then the link has like the big link. All you have to do is send me this bit. So I'll send this in the chat. Okay, 1 second. 1 second here. Oh shit, not that one. So here, so I'm putting it in the chat here. Control C, and then just delete the tradingview.com bit, and then post the rest like this, like that. That's how you send us a chart. 37 likes, fucking hell, amazing. Average watch time 13 minutes. Playbacks 271. That's great. Great stuff. Amazing. Chat's been very, very vocal today. I'm very happy about that. I want the chat to be, you know, filled with lots of messages. Be great. Just make it a fun environment for people to be in. It'll be grand. Right. So yeah, gold actually would have tapped out there. But as long as it stays below the hourly here, we're still going to continue to this zone here, like I said. Oh yes. 431 subscribers, man. That's fire. My watch time as well is sick. I think someone just joined. Yeah, look, new member just joined. Jeez. Look at all these people, bro. 186 people following this. Yeah, I definitely need to do that more, I think. It just takes a lot of time, like screenshotting it and sending it over and stuff. It's just a bit oof. Damn, if I wasn't working, I'd be on the streams and learning about day trading all the time. Oh, I know, man. So what time do you work at? Like now? Because you seem to be on here today. That's a thing, you have to, but there's always a session. I mean, Asian session I'd advise not doing, but if you should be able to do New York or something. Watch the VOD when you finish, my guy. I work 3 days per week, night shifts. Oh, that's alright. Wait, where are you from? Because the time zone just fucks you up. Watch the VOD. What VOD? What VOD called? Oh, California. Fucking hell, yeah. Your time frame rough. Night shifts is where this. I don't even know what time is it in California right now. Oh shit! It's 1 a.m. Fuck. Ah, God, it's 1 a.m. and Jesus, you're like 8 hours behind. Sheesh. Yeah, 7 hours behind. Damn. Yeah, but you've got. Yeah, but in the daytime you've got New York though, don't you? Oh no. So you got 3 more hours now, be 4 a.m. Fuck, that's rough. That. It's literally the complete opposite of what you want. Yeah, shit. California not the best. What about New York? Is New York better? Well, yeah, I'm assuming New York is. New York's probably like 9 a.m. now. Wait, 4 a.m. now. Fuck. Okay. Maybe try stripper as a career then. No, he needs normal days. He needs Well, yeah, actually, yeah, you could. That is my career. You could try being. You could try being. The meeting has ended after 40 minutes idle time. The fuck? The fuck? That is my career. To be fair, yeah, you could just be on the pole and have like your computer on the side and just fucking just trade, bro. They'd be like, "What are you doing?" It's like, "Bro, it's my break. I'm just trading, bro. I'm getting these bands dancing whilst trading gold." Oh my god, GJ's make me feel. GU and GJ make me feel sick watching it. Fuck me. Oh, that's good then. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's great. Max, you got a Discord? Not yet, Cole. I don't know how to make one really. So I'm gonna have to learn how to do that because it takes fucking hours. I've got like a little one, which is what I used to use. So if you look here, like here, this is the affiliate one. But I want to make. Actually, I can keep all the people in there, but I want to make it like nice. I want like bots in and shit. But I just don't know how to do it. I need to learn. It takes fucking hours to learn. Takes too many hours, boy. But I'm gonna do it. Probably a weekend. I'll learn how to do it properly. For sure. Oh, bro, I want this to come, man. Sick. Why are they charging 27 quid for that one, though? What the fuck? Oh, because it's 10 inch. That's why. Mine's only like 3.5. Sounds weird. Send me a DM on Discord after stream. Ah, okay. Cheers, my boy. I want to play some CSGO after this, bro. Fuck. I hope there's no copyright in this fucking music. Hell no. But yeah, guys, as I said, you need to wait for closures. We'll be dialing off very, very soon. It's coming towards London volume, the London push, and if London can't push above here, then we just have to wait until half 11, 12 o'clock, which is where NY comes, and hopefully you'll be able to get some buys. And as I said here, I've got my alert on here, and I've got my alert on here. So very, very happy for that. So I'm going to end it off here, guys. If you haven't already liked the stream, make sure you like it before you go. It really helps me out. And I'll be back here tomorrow at 7:30 again and do it all over again. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go. See you guys. Lovely stuff. Make sure you like the stream. Yeah.